dyan. Ako po si Halle. Ito po si Dwaine.
So, Halle made a short film with me and Shanta in it. As in, kasama kami dun. Si Shanta ang bida. Ako ang kontrabida. And it was for her school project. She had to make a school project about a hero or something like that. So she made a film, and my white lady dun sa film na yan. Si Halle ang white lady.
Ayun, aswang.
We're gonna I don't know, watch it right now. Okay, so panoorin nyo yung short film na ginawa ni Halle.
Nakakahiya ko.
My name is Shanta. I'm from the Philippines, but I live here now in Australia. I work from home, and I'm quite comfortable. I moved here to cope from my mom's passing away. But something happened to me. I don't know why, but now I'm afraid of the dark. When I was just a baby, I was very adventurous. I was always playing outside, but now I don't go out much. I miss being adventurous. I used to pretend I was a warrior fighting monsters. I wonder where that girl went. And why have I become a woman so afraid of the dark?
Dad, ayoko na dito.
Why? What happened?
Ever since Mom died, I'm always scared. I'm scared of the house. I'm scared to be alone at night.
We are all scared of something, Anak. But you can overcome your fear.
Yeah?
Don't you remember when you were younger and you used to walk around pretending you were fighting monsters?
Hindi. Dad, you have to listen to me. I'm not joking.
I wasn't joking. When you were a child, you used your imagination to be brave. Now that you're an adult, your imagination scares you. You need to use it to be brave.
I'll try. Thanks, Dad. I'll try that.
Mahal kita, Anak.
You're not real. I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of you anymore.
Halle just got back from school and she submitted her movie. How did you do?
I got an award for my film.
Wow,
Yeah.
So you got an award means you got an A.
Yeah, pretty much. It was the best one in the class.
It was the best in the class. Woo! Halle's a movie maker. Mag-YouTube ka na, Halle. I-YouTube mo na yan. What's wrong? What's wrong? Huh?
You should be happy.
Yes, you be happy.
I'm the next big Hollywood.
What were you going to say, Halle?
I'm the next big Hollywood movie producer.
You hear that, Dad? Halle won an award for her movie.
I thought you didn't do it yet.
We did. Well,
Today.
Yeah.
She submitted it today and she won an award because it was the best in the class.
Watch it in front of the class. But
Oh, you didn't?
No, we didn't watch it in front of the class. I played it in front of my other classes.
Oh,
We didn't
okay.
watch it film, but he told me.
Right. Wow, that's awesome. Alright guys, panoorin na natin ang mga bloopers. Kasi maraming bloopers sa film niya. He was in the shot. Ito, agaw eksena. Itong baby na to.
Oh my gosh. He was scared.
Hindi mo mascot.
It looks so scary. Okay.
My baby is a top
It's like
baby
a woman.
warrior.
Like with bushy hair. With my face on it.
Oh.
Oh, here we go.
So anak. Is that it?
Salamat sa panunood. Kita-kits. Is that correct?
You're beautiful.